Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Ryder from Paw Patrol. And it's going to be super easy and fun. Let's get started. First, I'll draw Ryder's eyes and eyebrows, just like this. Next comes his nose, then his big happy smile and the shape of his face. Now let's add his ears and draw his spiky hair. So cool! If you're having fun, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Colorful Cute Kids channel to support us. Thank you so much! Let's keep going. I'll draw Ryder's body, starting with his clothes. Right here, I'll add his badge, just like a real Paw Patrol hero. Now, let's draw his hands. Is he holding something? Oh, it's a shiny medal. How awesome! Next, I'll draw his toe legs just like this. And finally, let's add his shoes. Now it's time to make our drawing pop. I'll use this black marker to outline everything. Are you ready to color? Let's go! First, I'll use brown to color his hair and his eyes. Then, I'll color his clothes using dark blue, yellow, red, and black. Such bright and bold colors. Yellow for the details, red for some parts. And black for his trousers. Now for his shoes, I'll use red, black, dark blue, and a touch of gray. Let's color Ryder's skin with a light cream color, so soft and warm. A little more yellow. A little more red. And we're done. Awesome job! Everyone, if you had fun drawing Ryder with me, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more colorful adventures. See you in the next video. Goodbye!